Run SQL with Shahid. Last class we have done slipstream installation, combining installation with SQL Server patches and security update. So today we'll be discussing this MSI and MSP missing scenarios. So how to whenever the installer files are missing, how to troubleshoot and bring back that MSI MSP. MSI means Microsoft installer files and MSP means Microsoft patching files. So here first of all what we have to do means if I go here, anything I install, right, like SQL Server installation I did for 2016, 17, 22, 25, everything. Whenever I do this installation, at that time in the background there will be MSI and MSP file generated. So if you want to see that files, you need to go to C drive. From C drive here, you need to go to Windows, okay? Windows installer files. So if you check here, you won't find here installer files. So why it is not shown here means because it is a very critical files, so nobody can access those. So one way to access that files, you have to take run. Okay, after run you have to type C Windows media installer here. So if you click that here it will be opening up that files. Okay, so whatever it is here, okay, like MSI and also we have MSP. Okay, so this and all in the background, if I install SQL Server application, these files will be generated. So first time when we install SQL Server, consider I'm installing for 2016. Okay, some SQL Server MSI and MSP files will be generated here. Okay, so this thing whatever you are seeing MSI MSP here, like if I take here everything. Yeah, I right click and I will check with properties. Then I will be seen 351 files. Okay, what I will be doing means this files and all I will be moving. Okay, to some other folder. You have to be careful, guys, while doing. You can try this on some server. Okay, like you can install means in VMs or Azure VMs. You can install SQL Server on it and you can try. Please don't try this in laptops because it is very critical. I have practiced to have done many times, so I am doing this. Okay, so what I will do, this I will copy. Okay, these files I will be copying. So I will right click this and copy these files and I will move these files, okay, to new location. Okay, new folder I will create. Continue. So I will be creating install MSI files. Okay, I will giving a MSI file underscore don't delete. I will give because if I delete this, then it will be a problem. My operating system will be screwed up. Okay, so that's the reason I am mentioning don't delete. Okay, I'll move this everything to this new folder. I'll right click cut. Okay, cut and paste to this folder. uh, MSI don't delete. Okay, I'm pasting here everything. I copied all files. Okay, if I see here 351 items are selected. So if I go to this installer files, Windows, or you have to take in run only because it is hidden. If you go here, you won't find any MSI MSP. So what I will do means, now I will try to patch. Okay, patch any 2000. I will install first SQL Server new installation I will be performing, because after that I will be doing this patching. Okay, so why I am performing SQL Server installation means, here one two here files will be generated, so you'll be knowing that. Okay, what I will be doing means, I will be generating I will be performing installation. Go to this PC, 2016 I have no media. I will be downloading this again. Right click, run as administrator. So I am performing new SQL Server installation 2016. During the installation, new files will be generated. That is MSI MSP for only SQL Server. Okay, whatever I have copy pasted, cut pasted to the that folder, right? MSI don't delete. So that MSI MSP belongs to everything which application has been installed in the system. It is not for only SQL. It is for it might be some other applications as well, for PowerShell, for Java, something and all to run the program. That files also I have moved. Okay, MSP. So you can observe here new SQL Server installation, same as it is I am performing. What is the motto is here? You can observe whenever I am performing this installation, you will be seeing new MSI MSP here. Next. So MSI MSP is only for during patching, right? Whatever we patch, like cumulative update, service packs, or a security update. At that time, this issue will occur. At that time, you need to check. Okay, whatever the files are missing, like MSI or MSP, and also this MSI MSP, why it will be missing means, whenever the Windows team is there, no, at that time they will be having a C drive space issue. So they will first they will check Windows installer files only. In that they will be checking whichever the MSI and MSP unwanted, they will delete it. Okay, so this is the issue caused by Windows team. Okay, because at some time they will not be taken backup, as I took like MSI don't delete. At that time will be not having MSI files, right? Will this patching and all will be failed. So it is Windows team mistook take precaution. If there is system backup, if anything missing, it is a issue from Windows side, then they have to bring back that files. We can talk with Windows team about this, and also we can bring these files. Okay, so that is also we can do. That is the thing also we can do. So I will be clicking on next. Mostly we have to speak with Windows team. Okay, if they have system backup, then they can bring MSI MSP files. Database next. Now I am giving here instance name. I will give as 2002K like SQL 2016 MSI. Okay, so I will be clicking next again. Grant perform volume. I will keep this data agent service in automatic mode. So I will be clicking next normal installation as I do every time. So I will be adding current user, that is Shahid. Desktop is Windows authentication. Okay, so I'll be clicking on install. Okay, now. So if I click on install now here, so when you go here, actually there is no MSI, right? See now what happens, like it will create the count MSI is missing. Okay, database shared. Okay, here only at the time of installation it is showing MSI missing. So I'll do one thing, guys. I will be replacing these files. Okay, again whatever I did here, I'll be replacing these files. Control X. It is asking for MSI files for at the time of installation also. So I have again bought back that files, okay, from this folder. Now see installations will be get successfully completed now. See, as if we see on the screen, again I am installing 2016 next. Perform new SQL Server installation. Developer next. Accept next. Database services, SQL replication. This and all already checked and grayed out. MS SQL 2016 MSI I will give. Next. Grand perform volume maintenance. Next. Add current user. Next. Like install. Now the installation won't fail because MSI are being brought back to that uh, location at the installer folder. Okay, so it will not fail now, as you can see. So what I am trying to tell, like at the time of installation also it is getting failed. So it we won't find face issues because this main thing is I wanted to explain for those files while patching, right, patching security and cumulative and also the service pack. At that time if it fails, then this how to bring back, I will be showing you that also. If it fail, like there is one manual way, we don't prefer that, anyone won't prefer. See, as I see, like some files also been extra with this. At that time 351 files, right? Now if we see, here, instead of 351 files, there will be more files. Okay. Yeah, here, right click, properties. See here, 355 files. Okay, 4 files has been generated. So that's the thing I wanted to show. Like 4 files will be generated. Like how many files we can't tell. Like MSI, that 4 files would be missing at the time of patching. That's the thing I wanted to explain. So we have multiple ways to bring SQL files back. Okay. Whatever that 350 files are there, as I shown this MSI, this file belongs to everything, whatever the applications installed in my operating system. Every application files has this. Okay, and it's 355 files. Okay, like in that some SQL Server files also. At that time before we were having 351. I also have done past installation, right, at 2017, 16, 17. Also I did 22, 25. So those files also will be generated at the time of installation. We can say this as cache files. Okay, cache. So see this installation got successfully completed. Now when I go to patch now, sometimes we will face some issues while during patch. Now it will be successfully patched, okay, because everything is there in it. So here now if I connect to the instance to MSSQL 2016 MSI, right? MSI. Here it is. So I can connect to this instance. Okay, connected. So what I have to do for this instance, I have to do patching. I have already that patching file as well with me. If I go to that location here, media, this is for 2017, I think. I have placed it in C drive only. C drive, media, 2016. Okay, 2016 media. Okay, ENU. So here actually I have placed it. This one is which is patching for, means which is cumulative update, like service pack which is, and also security update to find out. So we can take this KB article and check. Also we have a recipe 3 also. You can find this. Okay. So I'll be applying this cumulative update. Okay. So right click and I'll run as administrator. So now extracting the files. So now it is running in progress. It will not run in the progress whenever this MSI and MSP files are missing. No, at that time this banner also will be not seen, right? At that time, what we can do, if it is not like any issue errors, it throw an error. Now it is not throwing an error because I am not touching that MSI MSP, means if some issues will be faced, then I have to yeah, means reboot my operating system. Okay, so that's the reason I'm not going and taking that whatever the installer files again cache it to that installer files. Okay, so that's the reason in installer folder I'm not going, and again I'm moving to another folder. Here what I can do, like if we face it, if consider here we have faced some error like MSI are missing. Okay, so at that time you can what you can do means restore from system state backup, means Windows team will be having that system state backup. So you can ask them, because Windows team only will be deleting these files. Okay, whenever they have space constraint, they will be doing some purging. Okay, they will check and they will keep an eye for installer files only whenever they have some issue with C drive. So to clear space, they will delete some files. They no need to supposed to do that and all. Means if they do so, sometimes it can happen. At that time we can ask to Windows team. Okay, so they can bring back. That is one option. And also we have a solution for here, manually restore. Whenever we will be having some error, it will only give error like this MSI, some MSI file is missing. Okay, so if I go here to installer, if you see here MSI, right, this file is missing or this file is missing, it will go and give the solution as well. It will for example, it will show for wherever the media is present, right, 2016 media, here it is. So it will give this path. Okay, I wanted to show you, but due to that at the time of installation I have moved no that files everything to do not delete MSI folder. So we are facing during the time of installation only that issue. Okay, same thing like as you seen in previous same error will be finding. Okay, so at that time what it will be doing means it will throw an error that file is missing. So it will show some path like this. You can come and check. Okay, here in this path. Okay, like it will ask us to copy from any path it might show. Okay, so 64 bit folder, or else here also it might show sometimes. Means copy and rename it to that one something whatever it is missing, you can rename it, so it wants the content. Okay, it is present inside this. Okay, so hope you might be getting what I am telling. Okay, once again I will tell, if something is missing, right, for example, if I go here, I will go it will give an solution also. Redist folder also sometimes it will ask us to take. Okay, not redist, 1 minute, whatever it is, some folders. Okay, I will go to this folder only, 64 setup. Okay, here this you copy to installer, it will ask copy from this path, this MSI, copy this and you paste it in Windows installer. Okay, like that it will give you suggestions here Windows installer, and rename it to for example 1A937 D07, something like that. Okay, hope you might have understood. I would have means I would have shown with you demo, but unluckily I can't do that because it was stopping me to install that SQL Server 2016 only. So I had to bring here and I had to rename it. At that time it will fix that issue. So for everything, if you are missing 5, 6, 7, 10, 20 files also, we need to do everything for every files. So that is the problem. Like it is very difficult to manually restore the files. Okay. So this is also not a good method or procedure to follow it. So we have here one more solution 3. We can use VBS script. Okay, for VBS script, you can go to this link. Okay, I will paste it this link in description as well. You can go and check. So if I open this, I had to consider that it has failed now. Okay. You can open this link and you have to copy this code. Okay, copy everything. So if you copied this and then you have to paste it in some media folder here. Already it is there. I will use this only. So here I have done copied now already. I have done the demo before also, so it is available here. You have to copy this to notepad here. See, notepad, open with notepad. And you need to change it to from txt to vbs. You need to give to vbs. Okay, because I will be running this command through command prompt. So what you can do is, like after copy pasting and saving this in media folder, so this is the command you can use. Okay, like you can open command prompt cmd, run as administrator. Also one thing guys, I have showed that this path before to copy files manually. In this media folder is must and should. Without media folder it is not possible to do manually, or else this method also what I am showing in a command prompt, that method also it is not possible. If there is media folder only, we can perform this manual files restoration, or else command prompt also I will be showing this. So this is also important thing. If there is no media like 2016 media, okay, so I had to install again any instance, then you can use it. Okay, at that time it will you can copy from this and paste it to installer and we can rename. Okay, so that thing also we can do. So I will be running this command. Okay, cd where is that c colon slash media. If I search this, we will be getting this path. So what I can do is I have saved in this media folder. I'll close this to avoid confusion. Here, okay, VBS script is there here. So if I go here, I can copy this. Like this is the main code. Okay, I have to paste it here. Okay. So what it will do, in that location, no C media, there will be logs generated. Okay, you have to give this C script. Find SQL install.vbs. Okay, whatever find SQL.vbs means this one. Find SQL.vbs. Okay, I have said in this name percent computer name percent underscore SQL underscore install underscore detail.txt. If I execute this, then script will be generated here. See. SQL install details. Okay, I will do one thing guys, I will delete this. Okay, this is the script. I will cancel this. Okay, control C you can cancel. Okay, now I can delete this, and now it got deleted. Again I will run this script. Okay, Now see here, new media is generated here, new log is generated. So let it complete. Okay, till wait, we will complete it completes. Okay. Now this script has completed, and we got the logs as well. You can open this log. In this log, what you can do, if any errors are there, like in this VBS script, so you can check. Okay, like this here, if it does not exist, okay, then you need to copy this everything. Here package exists in the installer cache, no need actions. Okay, in that cache, okay, see Windows installer. Okay, here this this packages are existed. Okay, so no need to do perform. Okay, if there is anything mismatching, if it is not exist, then you need to copy this everything. Okay, in notepad here, one by one you have to copy everything. One by one you have to copy everything and paste it here. Okay, so that is the thing you have to do. Like this you have to copy again. It is, if it is missing here, again you have to go take copy command and paste it here. Okay, you can run this in command prompt later. Okay, if it is not exist, it is exist. No, it is clearly stating here it is exist, so need to do these things and all. Like if it is 300 files missing, then also you have to perform this. Okay, this thing you have to perform is, see, to, as I said earlier also, 2016 media should be available, then only this you can run this VBS script. Okay, or else you can't run this VBS script. So again, if you go down, you have to scroll down, then you will be finding lot of MSI files. Okay, everything it is showing as packages are exist. Okay, so no actions needed. If the action is needed, it will clearly state that. Okay, this need to be copied. This from this location, as I said, now manually. Like if you take, okay, manually, if it is stating the error. Okay, consider an example. Control V. You can go to this location. Okay, SQL dot see how difficult it is to find anything like MSI MSP. So at the manual way I am telling. Okay, this is command way. We have copy command. This has given by logs. Okay, here you can copy. If it is mixing here, you can you can save it like this and you can run it later. So if it is manual, you have to go to this location. You have to check. Okay, here SQL engine core shared MS SQL. Have to take this folder full. Control C, Windows R. Control C, Windows R, Control V. Yes, SQL. Yeah, this one I have to copy. Okay, this one I have to copy to, if it in case, okay, if it is not exist, then you have to copy here, and then we have to rename anything like it will only suggest. See here, as you seen, we have to rename like this. Okay, here we no need to rename, we can copy and run in command prompt. So hope you might have understood this. This is very difficult. If you find this also is like very difficult, I can't do with this code and all. Like with SQL install.vbs script. So there is another easy way. Okay, so what you can do is you can do by repair. Okay, means you can do by using this FixMSI tool. So if you want, you can go to this link. Okay, as I will share this. Okay, So you can go to this link, you can search for FixMSI tool, okay? Fix missing MSI. You can download here. You can click on download, okay? You click on this means it will download, okay? If you click on this, okay, it will download. So I have already downloaded and kept here. What I can do is you can go here and search for FixMSI, okay? This tool. I will run it as administrator only. So what you can do is here you can use SQL. Down here it is tab I will press, okay? All products SQL. Tab, 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 tab. And now we'll move. Here you will be finding some scan now option. I will do one thing. I will change the display setting. Right click. Change it to 100%. Okay. I hope I will be getting this. Yeah, this is only this thing only I wanted to show you. Like here you'll be getting MSI, whatever the MSI files are missing now, you will be getting. Try again, fix MSI. You can go to this fix MSI, missing MSI tool. You can type here SQL. Now we got here scan now. Okay, you can scan here. Now it is getting here. See, scan now. This is the thing I wanted to explain you guys. See here missing 0. Okay, anything if it is missing here red color, it is showing 0 now. Here mismatched is also 0. So you will be getting here fix now option. Okay, whatever the MSI MSP missing, you can just only click, right click, and you can tell fix, or else if all you want to fix, you can go to fix and fix all. Okay, this is the very easy option you can prefer. Okay, so like this also you can do, and as I showed, you can download from there, and you can unzip here this downloads. You can unzip here. Okay, this one you can unzip, right click and unzip. Yeah, this is the tool. Okay, this is the tool I am using. Already it is there in my laptop. So if anything MSI MSP missing, you can go and click and fix all. Okay, that is the thing you can do. Okay, if it is media is available or not, you can try this. Okay, it will fix everything, and life becomes easy for you as well. And like in that VBS script also you can do. If you want to give a try, you can give, guys, in VBS script. Like you can copy those MSI files to any other location. You need to bring that error, and then you can fix it. Okay, with VBS. And also you can try this fix missing MSI tool. Okay, this is also a tool. In interview, if someone asks, you can say 3 answers. Okay, if anything MSI MSP are missing, what you will do. Okay, so at that scenario you have to tell interviewer that whenever I face this issue, you will contact Windows team first. Okay, so they can bring from system state backup. That is one option. Second option means be running that VBS script. Okay, so with that VBS script, I will be running in command prompt, and I will be there will be logs. Okay, in that logs I will be going to search that every log whichever the package is missing. So I will copy with copy command, and I will bring back those files. And also third answer is I will be using FixMissingMSI tool. Where I can go and see that missing files here, and also I will check mismatched file. So if there is any missing, I will click on fix and fix all. Okay, whatever the missing MSI and MSP scenario. So that's all I wanted to explain you guys. Today, I have completed everything like slipstream installation and net installation and MSI MSP missing scenario. So from next class onwards, we will be starting with security. Thank you guys for your patience, and if you like this video, please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, take care, bye.